In the lab, there's a test we use, oh yes, it's quite the deal. To spot the bugs that love the bile, it's called the Bile Esculin. We're searching for the microbes that can hydrolyze so well. Group D Strep and Enterococcus, they do this, we can tell. Bile Esculin Agar, what do? You turn black if the bugs break Esculin too. With bile in the mix, they must be tough. If they turn you black, they've got the right stuff. Now here's the purpose you should know, it's not that hard to see. We test for bile tolerance and hydrolysis of esculin. You see, the bile stops weaker bugs from growing where they're not meant. But the ones who handle bile, they break down esculin with intent. The principle is simple. Let's break it down for you. If esculin is hydrolyzed, there's something cool and new. Esculin forms, then binds to ferric citrate. A black color forms, confirming microbes' fate. The procedure's smooth, just plate and wait. Inoculate the agar, don't be late. Wait 24 to 48 hours, that's the time. If it turns black, the test results are prime. Bile Esculin Agar, what do? You turn black if the bugs break Esculin too. With bile in the mix, they must be tough. If they turn you black, they've got the right stuff. So now you know the test, it's easy and it's clear. For Enterococcus and Strep D, it brings us all the cheer. The Bile Esculin Agar test, it works, it's true. A simple test to help identify the bugs in you.